Good morning, children. Today let us see revision for FA2 children. Find 1.5 into 0.3. So children, 1.5 is a decimal number. We should convert these two decimal numbers to fractional number, children. See children, the decimal point. After decimal point, how many digits, children? Only one digit. So how many zeros will come in the denominator? 1 0, children. See children, here also after 0 point, after decimal point, we have only one digit. So how many zeros, children? 1 0 in the denominator by removing the decimal point. Now children, let us see. Now numerator into numerator. What are the two numbers in the numerator, children? 15 into 3 by denominator into denominator 10 into 10. 15 3 is a 45, 10 10 is a 100. We are converting again fractional number to decimal number, children. So what is the answer, children? See, 2 zeros. So after 2 digits you are going to get a decimal point. Before decimal point there is no number, so we can write 0, children. Now let us see the next one, children. What is the number, children? 3.62 into 100. So let us write the same question once again here. After decimal point, children, 2 digits. So when we are converting from decimal to fractional form by removing the decimal point, what will write? We will write in the fractional form 1 followed by, how we got 2 zeros, children? Why? Because after decimal point 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros. See children, 100 and 100 gets cancelled. So what is the answer, children? 362 is the answer. Okay children, listen carefully, children. The problems which I am explaining now are very important. Okay children. Now 44.3 divided by 10. 44.3 divided by 10. I wrote the same. Now converting decimal to fractional form. After decimal point, how many digits, children? Only one digit. So only 1 0 after number 1 divided by 10. We can write this 10 as 10 by 1. Now children, division changes to multiplication with its reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse of 10 by 1. Reverse of 10 by 1 is what, children? 1 by 10. Now multiplying numerator into numerator, 443 into 1 by 10 into 10. Okay children, now 442 into 1 is 443. 10 10 is how much, children? 100. So what it becomes, children? 4.43 is the answer. Okay children. Now let us see the next one. Now find the product of each of the following fractions. Now just we should multiply numerator into numerator. What are the two numbers in the numerators here? 5 and 7. So 5 into 7 by denominator into denominator, 6 into 11. 5 7 is 35, 6 11 is 66 is the answer, children. Now 6 into 1 by 5. We can write 6 as 6 by 1. Now numerator into numerator, what are the two numbers, children, in the numerators? 6 and 1. So 6 into 1. Denominator into denominator, what are the two numbers in the denominator? 1 and 5. So 1 into 5. 6 1 is 6 by 5. 1 5 is 5. Now let us see the next one, children. Find 2 by 5 divided by 3. We can write 3 as 3 by 1, children. Division changes to multiplication with its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 1, children? 1 by 3. Now numerators we should multiply 2 into 1 by 5 into 3. 2 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15. Now let us see the next one, children. 4 by 9. Division changes to, children, multiplication with its reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse of the number. Reverse of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is the answer, children? 5 by 9. Okay children, let us see the next one. Children, write the place value of 3 in 794.037. Now to write the place value of 3, let us write all the place values, children. 794.037. So what are the places, children? Ones, tens and hundreds. Here, children, after decimal point it is tens. What is the meaning of tens, children? 1 by 10. Hundreds means 1 by 100. And thousand means 1 by 1000. Thousandths, whenever THS comes, 1 by. Okay, children? Now, what they are asking in the question, children? Place value of 3. What is the place value of 3 in 794.037? What is the place value of 3, children? 3 into 1 by 100. 3 into 1 by 100. We can write 3 into 1 by 1 into 100. 3 1 is 3 by 100. Okay? Remaining all are bits, children. Let us see the bits, children. Area of square. S into S. Area of rectangle, children. L into B. Perimeter of a square, children. 4 into S. Perimeter of a rectangle, children. 2 into L plus B. Now remaining all are formulas only, children. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Area of rhombus, children. Half into D1 into D2, children. Okay. Each angle in a rectangle and square. What is the each angle in the rectangular square, children? 90 degrees. Now, sum of 3 angles in a triangle. Sum of 3 angles in a triangle, how much, children? 180 degrees. How many degrees, children? 180 degrees. And sum of 4 angles in a quadrilateral, children? 360 degrees. Reciprocal of improper fraction is what? Which fraction, children? Proper fraction. Now, decimal form of this fractional number 123 by 1000 is equals to. See, children, since there are 3 zeros, after 3 digits decimal point comes, there is no number. So, children, we will get 0 here. So, the answer is 0.123. Okay, children. Now, let us see the next one. (11 by 9 is an improper fraction. Why it is improper fraction, children? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, children. In 8376.705, the digit is in the hundreds places. Which digit is in the hundreds place, children? 0. See, children, this hundreds. 0 is in hundreds place. Now, the place value of tens digit in 763.128. Which number is in the tens place, children? See, children, 1 is in the tens place. Now, children, a number which is in the form of P by Q is called, already we have seen the definition, children, nothing but rational number. Decimal form of 99 rupees and 77 paise is 99.77. And place value of digit 7 in 19.171. See, children, 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 7 is in hundreds place. Now, see, children, I gave here explanation of all this problem from 27 to 32 down, children. 27. If x minus 3 equals to 2, then what is the value of x? We got 5. How we got 5? Let us see. X minus 3 equals to 2, children. X equals to minus 3 changes to plus 3, children. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, what is the x value, children? X is 5. If x by 4 equals to 0, children, then x equals to how much, children? We got 0. How we got 0? Let us see. X by 4 equals to 0, x equals to, see, children, 0 into 4. Just we are multiplying this 4 zeros are how much, children? 0. So, what is the value of x, children? 0. If 8x equals to 9, children, then x equals to how much? 8x equals to 9. See, children, 8x equals to 9. This number will go in the denominator. See, children, multiplication changes to division. So, what is the value of x, children? 9 by 8. X value is how much, children? 9 by 8. If 3x by 2 equals to 1, then x equals to how much? See, children, 3x by 2 equals to 1, x equals to 1 into 2 by 3. See, children, reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. 3 by 2 is in multiplication. Multiplication changes to division. When we are dividing, what it changes, children? Just 3 by 2 changes to its reciprocal 2 by 3. 1 2 is 2 by 3. Okay, children. Now let us see 31st one. If x by 7 equals to 20, children, then x equals to 140. How we got 140? Let us see. See, children, x by 7 equals to 20. X equals to. See, children, x divided by 7. Division changes to multiplication. So 20 into 7. 27 is how much, children? 140. 2y by 3 equals to 3 by 4. Y equals to 3 by 4. See, children, 2 by 3 is in multiplication. It changes to division. with its reciprocal, children. So here 2 by 3 changes to 3 by 2. 3 3s are 9, children. 4 2s are 8. Just we are multiplying numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Children, all these bits of fill in the blanks will come as choose the correct answers, children. Just I have explained here as fill in the blanks, children, for you understand. Okay, children. All the best. Prepare for your exam nicely, children.